Do you want to create a spiral staircase in Revit but struggling with the missing stair support? Don't worry, in this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you the exact trick to add a custom stair support, something Revit does not give you by default. You have a professional spiral staircase design ready to impress. Let's get started. Hello, welcome to Noble Architects Consult. Is this your first time here? Make it official. Tap the subscribe button. Let's grow together and explore more ideas. Don't forget to turn on the notifications so you don't miss out. Go to Architecture, Circulation panel, click Stair Components. Select the spiral staircase. Click on Edit Type. Here you can adjust the riser height, the depth of the trap, and the run width. Adjust it and click OK. Set the base level and the top level where the stair will start and end. Adjust base offset, top offset, and desired riser height if necessary, but here we'll leave it at the default. Select the spiral run tool. Click and drag to set the radius of the spiral. Finish it. Here we have the spiral staircase. Select the stair. Under the property dialog, click on Edit Type. On the run type, select it and uncheck riser. Apply. Okay. Right support, select none. Left support, select none. Apply. It's okay. We've created the spiral staircase. Now we need to add the support to make it look professional. I'll change this to 900mm pipe. Let's add the support pole. We are going to use the column. Click on column drop down, architectural column, load family. We are going to use the round column. Okay, this is okay. Edit type. Let's use 200 diameter. Alright, perfect. Now we have the support here. We still need to add some support under the stairs. To do that, we are going to customize the railing. Select the railing, offset path, change it to 425. That is okay. Select the railing, click on Edit Type, click on baluster placement, edit. Balusters per thread, change it to 1. Change this to 0, the space, change it to 0. Baluster family, change this to none. Click OK. For us to add the support under, we are going to create a new railing family. To do that, click on File, New, Family. We are going to use the metric balusters. Open it. Here is it. Open the front elevation. Here is where we are going to sketch the support. Click on Extrusion. Select Name, Reference Plane, Center, Front and Back. Click OK. Now let's sketch the support. This is the center line. So we are going to sketch 550 from here. Then offset 50 millimeters. We are going to use 125. Sketch it down here. You need to pass the center line. Let's stop somewhere here. Trim it. Now we are going to delete these other lines. Let's modify the shape a little bit. Let's have something like this. I think that's okay. Now let's set the extrusion 25 here, minus 25. Okay, let's finish it. Let's view the left elevation. Okay, this is it. Save it. I'll use support. Now load into project. Select the railing. Click on edit type. Edit baluster placement. Change this baluster to none. Then baluster family. Let's use the support we just created. Apply. OK. Uncheck the top rail. Click OK. Well, we have it. That is it. That is how to create a modern spiral staircase with support. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so that you'll be notified each time we post an interesting video like this. Subscribe to our channel. Let's grow together and explore more ideas. Thank you so much for watching.